Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add email verification restrictions to your viewers while you are streaming, such as that all chatters must have a verified email or some chatters must have a verified email, so things like that. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then click on this profile button in the upper right corner, tap on channel, and after that you should scroll down and click on the customize channel button down below. After that, go to this left side column, tap on settings, and within settings click on moderation. Then scroll down to the channel privileges section, and within that to email verification. So here you can set whether you would like all chatters to have a verified email, so just simply tap on this onto the circle. Or you can also set some chatters, and here you can include three options, such as first-time chatters must have a verified email, chatters without a verified email must have accounts older than, and here you can set 1 week, 1 hour, ranging from 1 hour to 6 months, and you can also select the chatters must have followed for more than, and if you tap on this button you can set from these options or select from these options, or you can also turn off the email verification restriction. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.